There are places in this world that are old in the way silence is old. Places that have witnessed too much, carried too much, and yet, only speak if you truly know how to listen. The Shakti Pithas are not just temples. They are memory. They are grief made sacred. They are parts of the divine feminine, Sati, scattered across the subcontinent in rage, in pain, in love. This is not just mythology. This is a map of every woman's journey. A journey of breaking, burning, and becoming. Here are 6 Shakti Pithas every woman should visit, not because religion says so, but because something deeper, older, and fiercely real might awaken in you when you do. Kamakhya Temple, Assam. At Kamakhya, blood is not taboo. It is sacred. This is where the yoni of Sati fell, her source of creation, her seat of power. Here, menstruation is honored. The temple closes during the goddess's menstrual cycle, not out of impurity, but reverence. For centuries, women have been told to hide their bleeding. To be ashamed of a rhythm as ancient as the moon. Kamakhya rejects that lie. Visiting Kamakhya isn't about religion. It's about healing your relationship with your own body. It's a temple that tells you, you are not unclean. You are the source. You are the rhythm. You are worthy of worship, just as you are. Vaishno Devi, Jammu or Kashmir. To reach Vaishno Devi, you walk. You climb. You ache. But slowly, the noise in your mind fades. And something else takes over, a quiet, ancient kind of strength. The goddess here is not one, she is 3, Kale, Lakshmi, Saraswati. Destruction, prosperity, wisdom. You don't have to choose what kind of woman to be. You can be all of them. Together, in contradiction, in harmony. This isn't just a trek. It's a shedding, of doubt, of fear, of every version of yourself that told you to shrink. At Vaishno Devi, you remember, you were never meant to be small. Tarapeeth, West Bengal. Tarapeeth doesn't comfort you, it confronts you. Near burning grounds and under smoky skies, goddess Tara sits, unflinching, wild-eyed, fierce. She drinks poison to protect. She watches death and does not blink. Most of us are told to run from the dark. Tara asks us to sit with it, to breathe through it, to meet our grief, our rage, our shadow, and say, I see you. And I'm still here. That's power. Not the kind they teach you in schools or prayers, the kind you forge when you walk through fire and still remain whole. Jwalaji Temple, Himachal Pradesh. At Jwalaji, fire doesn't destroy, it remembers. Here, tongues of flame rise from the earth. Real, unending. This is where the goddess's tongue, her voice, is believed to have fallen. Too many women have been told to quiet down, to stay small, to be nice. But your voice is fire. It was never meant to be silenced. It was meant to illuminate, to name the truth, to burn not with anger, but with purpose. At Jwalaji, you don't just pray, you reclaim your voice. Kalka Temple, Delhi, right in the heart of India's busiest city stands Kalka Temple, a quiet weight in the noise. It's said the goddess's foot fell here. Her step, grounded, powerful, and gentle. This temple isn't ornate, it doesn't shout, but maybe that's the point. Not all sacredness shines, some of it whispers. Your everyday life, your labor, your care, your pain, holds sacred value. You don't have to be extraordinary to be divine. You already are. In your stillness, in your steps, in your being. This is not tourism, this isn't about ticking off tourist spots. It's about remembrance. Each Shakti Pitha carries the story of a divine woman who was torn apart and made holy through loss. You don't visit to worship what's outside you. You come to remember what's always been within you. Every woman has a story that's been cut, silenced, buried. And maybe, it's time to pick up those pieces. Not to be whole for others, but to remember you already were. Not everyone will understand why these places matter. That's okay. The goddess never asked for applause. She only asked for presence. And if you stand in these temples long enough, something might shift. Not thunder, not lightning, but breath, awareness, recognition. She never left. And neither did you. To every woman listening, the world may try to define you, break you, silence you, but these sacred places remind you, you are not made of just flesh and dreams. You are made of fire, of grief, of goddesses. So walk, climb, sit with your chaos, speak your truth, honor your steps. The goddess lives in you, and she's been waiting for you to remember. If the story moved you, like the video. Tell us in the comments, which Shakti Pitha speaks to your soul? And subscribe to ICEP Iluno, where mythology, femininity, and truth come together like never before.